All right, guys, 2024 Rav4. Check it out. We did the replacement on this front bumper. You can see it's nice and clean. Everything is good. It looks solid. Now in this video, you see how this headlight right here, it looks disgusting. This one is okay. So we're gonna change the headlight on that side. We have the part already. So let's get started. All right, it's pretty easy. We're just gonna peel off the bumper right here. There's a wheel arch, couple push pin retainers and a bolt, and then peel this off, and then there's about 3 bolts up here, and then push pin retainer down here, and then screws, and then the bumper will come out. All right, so here's the box. We're gonna open it up. Let's see if hopefully it's the right one. So it came in pairs on this one. We have to buy the pairs to get a good deal on it. This one is a driver's side. We don't need that. We'll just open the other box. All right, here we go. This is the side. This is the one that we want. The passenger side. All right, here we go. This is the passenger side. I normally don't peel the whole thing out because I don't want anything scratched. We're just gonna go peel it off from the corner here. Peel that off after we install. And then we're just gonna take out the bolt right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's 4 bolts. Take that one because it's stopping here. The bolt. All right, we're gonna compare the new and the old one just to make sure it's the right one before we install. You can see that there. That's perfect. Guide pins and a screw hole, guide pins and a screw hole. Perfect. Hole and a pin, hole in the pin. Perfect. Okay, connector. There's about 6 holes, but 4 pin use. 6 hole, 4 pin use. Perfect. Connector. All right, it looks good. It looks good to me. 1, 2, 3. 3 holes for the bolts. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go.
Same thing.
Same thing. All right, guys. So make sure you get a screw and a push pin retainer on the top. A bolt right here. A bolt, and bolt down there. Then 2 bolts over there. All right, guys, check it out. Nice and clean. Everything is good. Bolt it down. Wow, way better. It looks the same, right?
Yes.
Looks the same. So we're not gonna change this one because this one is good. It's working. It's nice and clean. This is a LX model, so just the base. There's like 3 or 4 choices out there for this Rav4 on this headlight. So let's turn on the light. Make sure it works. All right, guys. So high beam, low beam is turning. Hazard light is on. Signal's good here. The marker lights is good there. Same thing with this one. Signal, high beam, low beam is working. Marker lights, everything's good. Wow, perfect. Thumbs up. All right, it's time to send this to the shop. They're gonna do a mechanical inspection and see what else needs to be done before they put it on the road. That's it, guys. Thumbs up. Give me a subscribe and follow the channel for more DIY.